How to upload a video on TikTok from your gallery. Want to upload a video to TikTok directly from your phone's gallery? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new post. Now, select New Video. Now, you'll see the videos and photos saved in your phone's gallery. Select the video you want to upload. You can also select multiple videos if you want to combine them into one TikTok. After selecting your video, tap Next. You can now edit your video. Once you're finished editing, tap Next again. On the final screen, add a caption, hashtags, or adjust any available post settings. When everything looks good, tap Post. Your video will then be uploaded and published to your TikTok profile. And that's how to upload a video from your gallery to TikTok. If this video helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.